Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So the second lesson, the northern mountains children. So we will see the three ranges of Himalayas like the Himadri, Himachal and the Shivalik. So in today's class we are going to see about the Himadri children. So the Himadri are the greater Himalayas. They are the northernmost range children. They are mostly close to the China, Nepal, like that places children. So it is the northernmost range and it has got the loftiest mountain children. Loftiest means highest, okay. The loftiest means highest mountains, very high, and their average height is greater than 6,000 meters children, nearly 6 kilometers height, greater than 6 kilometers. So imagine children how tall it would be, okay, and then they are all loftiest mountains. Then in that these mountains are always covered with snow throughout the year children. So mostly plants can't grow over there and animals surviving is also very difficult children. You can see polar bear like that only you can see. So now what are the tallest mountains present over there means Mount Everest, okay, is the tallest mountain or the highest peak in the world children. Mount Everest. The Everest is the person who found the mountain, okay. So Everest is a person when he was surviving, surveying the area, the mountains, lands and all. That time he found out that that mountain, particular mountain is very tall children. So they have given the name. So it is called as Mount Everest. So it is located in Nepal children. Then its approximate height is 8,815 meter approximately. Nearly 9 kilometers children. Okay. So imagine how tall it would be. So 8,850 meter approximately. So when we come to India, the highest peak is Mount Kanchenjunga. Okay, Mount Kanchenjunga. Once again I repeat, Mount Kanchenjunga. Okay, that is located in Sikkim children. In India, it is the highest peak. Okay, Mount Kanchenjunga in Sikkim. Then as I told you, the mountains are always covered with snow children. So there you can find the glaciers children. So glaciers. Glaciers means what? Rivers of ice and snow children. Rivers of ice and snow. So there is a difference between ice and snow children. Snow will be soft. This ice will be hard. So when you put water in the fridge, the freezer and keep, it will turn into ice. Okay. But when it falls from the atmosphere, you can tell it as snow. Actually in the clouds it will be like a snow only children. It depends on the temperature. Okay. Mainly this ice and snow depends on the temperature. Both are freezing cold only. Okay. When it is freezing cold only, it will form ice and snow children. Okay. So they have glaciers. So what is there are two glaciers are there children. One is Gangotri and another one is Yamunotri. These two are glaciers which gives rise to rivers children. One is Ganga and another one is Yamuna river. These two rivers rise, yes children, from these glaciers. So that's why this Ganga river, Yamuna river and all, throughout the year we will be getting water children. Why? Because then the glaciers, the water will melt, So what happens? The water will be always flowing. So it's all called perennial rivers. That means we will get water throughout the year children. The Ganga river and the Yamuna river. Okay. The next range we are going to see is the Himachal range children, or the middle Himalayas. The Himachal range, its another name is middle Himalayas. Okay. It runs parallel to the Himadri. Okay. So imagine a railway track is like this. Okay. So what we will tell, this line is parallel to this line. like that the mountains also parallel to the each other. To the Himachal, the Himadri is parallel, children. Okay, and then compared to Himadri, this is less in height. Comparatively, it is less in height. Okay, and then less than 5,000 meters like that, children. And you have more hill stations are present, like Kullu, Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital, like that. You have the hill stations, children, present over there. And then you have thick forest, and in that you can find the trees like pine, oak, fir and deodar. These trees you can find over there. Once again I read: pine, oak, fir and deodar, children. These trees you can find over there. And cultivation also, children. You can grow plants and trees also, children, over there. The next one is valleys. Valleys is a in mountainous area you find a flat land, children. Okay, so it is given in your textbook also. I will just show you the picture. See, this is a Kashmir Valley, and you can find the mountains over here, but there is a flat land over here, children. Where here the river is flowing and you have a flat land. So this part is called as valley. Okay, this is called as valley. So you have three valleys, children. One is Kashmir Valley, Kullu Valley and the Kangra Valley. Okay, once again I repeat, what are the valleys present? Kashmir Valley, Kullu Valley and the Kangra Valley. These three valleys are present, children. The next one, passes. So what is meant by pass? Passes are the gaps between mountains, children. Between the mountains, we have some route to go to the other place. That one is called as passes. So here we have three passes, children, in the Himachal. What are they? Nathula Pass, Shipkila Pass and Rohtang Pass. Okay, once again I read, children. Nathula Pass, Shipkila Pass and Rohtang Pass. These are all general knowledge questions, children. You should learn and keep it in your memory. Once again I repeat, what are the passes present? Nathula, Shipkila and Rohtang Pass, children. Okay. So, and you have this la means in local language it is called pass. That is a route in between the mountains, children. Sometimes we will tell here Ghat. That is we have three Ghats in the southern plateau, children. Okay. So that and all we will see in the next one more lesson. So we have three passes. One is Nathula Pass, Shipkila Pass and Rohtang Pass. Okay. And some hill stations are also present, children. Like this one, Kullu, Manali, Shimla and then Mussoorie, Nainital, like that. So many hill stations are also present, children. Tourists throng to these places, okay, to enjoy their vacation, children. So you should know, take your textbook, take and read, children. Some of the words are new, so learn it, children. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.